Welcome to the how-to video for power and battery with the Sonosite MT. The system can be powered by the internal battery on the system, the stand battery, or by AC power. To turn the system on with AC power while on or off stand, connect the DC output of the portable power supply to the DC connector on the system by aligning the red dot with the connection alignment indicator. Connect the AC power cord, either from the portable power supply when off stand or from the stand base when on stand, to a hospital-grade AC mains outlet. If AC power is properly connected to the stand battery indicator lights will illuminate. An amber light at the top indicates an error. The battery is charging when the middle light is blinking and fully charged when the light is solid. The bottom light indicates that the system is plugged in. The light on the stand base will also illuminate when the stand is receiving power. To boot up the system, press the power button. The power button is solid green when on and blinks when off. The battery indicator light bars on the front of the system are blue when the system is off and white when the system is on. When the system is asleep, the lights fade in and out. An amber light indicates that the battery is critically low. The number of bars displayed indicates the level of battery charge available. The system on stand icon and lightning bolt shows when the system is charging on the stand. The display on the lid also shows scanning time remaining. The system off stand icon and lightning bolt shows when the system is charging off the stand. If there is no lightning bolt shown, the system is not charging. You can access the power and battery settings by selecting the System menu, System Settings, then Power and Battery. Here you can customize power and sleep delay settings using the drop-down menus. This setting allows you to change between Performance mode, which allows for quicker boot-up time, or Efficiency mode, which allows for battery conservation. You can also see battery levels for the system and stand batteries here. To disconnect the DC output cable from the back of the system, grip the textured area of the cable and pull straight out to release it. You may have to use a gentle twisting motion clockwise or counterclockwise while pulling to release the cable from the back of the system. Turn off the system by pressing the power button. Please refer to the Sonosite MT user documents for greater detail and instructions on power and battery.